My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another unboxing. It is going to be an unboxing of my October Boxycharm. So if you would like to see what I got in my Boxycharm this month, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Okay, so Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box for $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products. I love it, and let's see what we're getting this month. Ooh, I see something I'm excited about already. Ooh! Okay, the first product is this Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This retails for $32. Ooh, so these are all like berry toned eyeshadows, which I love. And this will look really good if, yes baby, if you have green eyes. Ooh. That is really pretty. Ooh, they're really pigmented too. Look at that. Wow. I'm super excited about that. Oh my gosh. I've never tried Dose of Color eyeshadows before. Okay, the next product I was actually going to buy, so I'm so happy that I didn't. And it is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Prep Set and Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave your skin with iconic glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. So this retails for $29, and ooh, let's try this girl out. It smells good. It has kind of like a floral scent, not too like overpowering though. I love you already. Alright, the next product is also from Iconic London. This is Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. So it says this hi blah blah blah. This is in the color Love Struck. This retails for $26. Ooh, I have a feeling I'm gonna like you. I love any like pink or peach glosses. I am just all about that. You're probably not going to be able to see it very well, but yeah, I have a feeling I'm really going to use this up. Alright, the next product is from a company called Mellow, which I have not heard of until now, and this is Tinted Brow Gel. This retails for $16, and this is in the color Dark Brown. Okay. I have been like so obsessed with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. Oh my god, that you put that on, girl, you have brows on for days. But I'm always down to try a good brow gel. Here is, oh, I like that the brush is a little bigger. Sometimes, or like in the Benefit Brow, that brush is so tiny. I actually do need some brow gel, so let's just try her out. Ooh. Yes. This is what I'll use a brow gel, like if I'm working and I just don't have time to do like my full brow routine. And I swear, it'll look like your brows are done, like you've done everything sometimes just with these brow gels. Yeah, I really like that. Okay. And the last product is this Hollywood in Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. And this is in the color purple. They weren't very creative with their color names. Ooh, this would have been pretty to use with this eye look today. Ooh, that's a really pretty purple. And this retails for $7. That's not bad at all. It's very creamy. Yeah. I haven't heard of this brand before either, but I like that that's a good eyeliner for like a pretty cheap price. Okay. As usual, I'm super impressed with my Boxycharm. I honestly like love everything that I got in it. Let's see what the total retail value for this bad boy is. Okay, the retail value for October's Boxycharm is $110. I mean, it's not like a crazy number like, you know, sometimes it can be, but I'm really like happy with all the products. I mean, I haven't tried them yet, but so far they're all products that I would definitely use, and I am excited to try. So yeah, I mean, you can't beat $110 when you pay $21. So let me know what you guys think about my Boxycharm, and let me know what you got in your Boxycharm this month. I'm looking for, so I guess I have version number 17. I see a little 17 down there if anyone is curious. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.